When most people think of Microsoft Excel, they think of a complex tool that's hard to learn and use. Thankfully, Excel is much easier than people think. Bigger Brains is here to show you the ins and outs of Microsoft Excel, starting with sorting data.
So just a couple of brief reminders. First of all, Excel works best when there's no blank rows or columns. That's a pretty big deal. You notice that we're not selecting the data first. Now, I watch a lot of people work. They select the data first every time. I don't know why. If it makes them feel better, they can, but you don't need to, you've noticed. So all you do is just click in the data, but you can't have the blank rows and columns. Secondly, you have to remember that Excel can't read. It doesn't know what any of these words mean. So for example, when you clicked in column A, how did Excel know that last names should not be sorted down with the L's, which is exactly what we're talking about here? Well, it can't read. It doesn't know. So let me ask you this. If you couldn't read, how would you know that last name is the heading for that column?
Well, it's in bold.
Exactly. That's what Excel's looking for. So it's going to go to the top of your list, the first row. And it's like, wonder if those are headers. And guess what? If it looks different, Excel says, I bet that's a header. And if it doesn't look different, you have about a 50-50 chance of it getting it right. So all you have to do is make that first row look different.
Now, does it have to be bold?
Anything, bigger, italics, underline, something that makes it look different from the rest of the text. And I promise you it'll work every time.
Yep, it works every time. For more tips on how to use Microsoft Excel to the best of your abilities, check out our course on Mastering Excel 2019 Intermediate. Join Bigger Brains as we power productivity, one brain at a time.